Hello guys, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you a Crush 300 index live performance on our real account with a bulk account. Look here guys, I've deposited more than 12,000. Look here, we made an entry on Crush 300 with tender lots. We're holding this trade for spike. This signal also shared in our group where people also made profit. So keep watching the video till end so you guys understand how actually the system works, what's the accuracy level, and how actually the system give good signals. So keep watching the video guys. As you guys can see, the market is moving forward. The arrow just appeared and we're holding this trade for 3 candles. Let's see. If there is no spike after 3 candles, you're going to close this trade in loss. Look here guys, the big spike appeared. We made a good profit. Going to close this trade. Thanks for watching. Check, this is my MT5 on Dare.